don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Fans onto TV, it's the Nedbank Cup, Kaizer Chiefs 2, Orlando Pirates 1. I'm joined by Offensive. Yo. How you feel, my brother?
Bruh, I don't know who introduced me to this sport, bruh. Yes. I hate that person for the rest of my life. I support Pirates, Liverpool, Barcelona, but this is by far the biggest heartbreak of my life.
The biggest heartbreak?
Pirates and Bafethu. It's like it opened a can of worms.
A can of worms? What did it go wrong for Pirates?
What can you say, man? So team is Thibaut. Me now, I will have to give it to Kaizer Chiefs, man. I mean, they've tried, man. You can never keep a sleeping giant for a long time.
Yes.
So hopefully everyone is happy in Mzansi, except for us, Amabaranea.
Yeah.
We will take the defeat, but to be honest, I'm wounded, man. After here, I might commit suicide. Like I said, people, what's there to live? If you break Orlando Pirates, it's like you fighting my brother and you killed my brother. Why should I live? You've taken another half of me, and you've taken the half that's very strong. But I'll have to give it to Kaizer Chiefs, man. I mean, they've applied themselves. You cannot beat Sundowns and not win this trophy.
Yes!
You can never beat Sundowns and not win this trophy.
Yes!
So I will give it to Amakosi. But it's good for the economy. Hopefully they increase the percentages of VAT because of what's there for economy. If Kaizer Chiefs can beat Orlando Pirates, the economy, bring it back to 16%.
Yes!
Kuyafana mus. Kuyafana mus thathane namantombazana wethu. Kuyafana. Yes, angithi niyasona ke. Thatheni nathi. Man of the match, I will have to give it to in defense here, Kaizer Chiefs. You can never keep Orlando Pirates attack. Like everyone knows, the best attack in the league comes from Orlando Pirates. If you can keep that attacking players off the game, I mean, there was nowhere to Rele was nowhere to be found. To be honest, Rele was nowhere to be found.
Yes, my brother.
Yes, Tito, he had his moments, but the only moment he had was when he was climbing on top of the ball. He never created anything for us. To be honest, you can. I will have to give it to only Scooter Baba. He tried. Scooter Baba, Muhankota.
Yes.
I mean, that guy is one of the best wingers we currently have in the country.
Yes.
If he can put more effort, he can try. I mean, Saleh's shoes are very big to be filled. If you can come and do what you do against Al Ahly, CR Belouizdad and other teams, you have to give it to Muhankota as well. So I'll give it to all Kaizer Chiefs players, especially defense and Muhankota. But the void was seen when Katlin Makolo was taken out. But I can't blame Jose Riveiro. We love you, man. Hopefully you come back one day, and then bizana umlungisi azoyilungisa leqembu le Orlando Pirates. We can win CAF if we can bring a coach of Rulani Mukwena's caliber.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm telling you. But it's fine, Mabagadia. Let's take the lose, and then so Babona one day. I mean, we won against them last week, but we won the wrong game. The best game to win was this one, but it's fine. Let's take the lose.
Hey, Shaskies in Shaka.